A division of Chrysler, this car was designed to offer both style and comfort while maintaining reliability for everyday use. With its distinct 1940s aesthetic, smooth performance, and spacious interior, the DeSoto Deluxe remains a prized collector's item for vintage car enthusiasts. Starting with the exterior, the 1947 DeSoto Deluxe features a streamlined design that perfectly captures the era's styling trends. The front end is characterized by a bold, vertical chrome grille that extends across the entire width of the car, complemented by large round headlights that give it a distinguished look. The body is adorned with flowing fenders, adding to the car's graceful appearance, while the rear end features a gently sloping trunk and stylish taillights. The suicide doors, a signature design choice of the time, enhance both accessibility and visual appeal. Chrome accents along the body further highlight its classic elegance, making it a true standout on the road. Under the hood, the DeSoto Deluxe is powered by a 236.6 cubic inch, 3.9-liter inline-six engine, producing around 109 horsepower. While this may not sound like much by modern standards, the car was built for smooth and comfortable cruising rather than high-speed performance. The engine is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, often equipped with DeSoto's famous fluid drive system, which allowed for clutchless shifting in certain driving conditions. This innovation made the DeSoto Deluxe one of the more refined vehicles of its time, providing a relaxed and effortless driving experience. The suspension system was designed to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride even on less than perfect roads. Inside, the DeSoto Deluxe offers a spacious and well-appointed cabin. The bench seats, upholstered in high-quality fabric or optional leather, provide ample room for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard features a simple yet elegant design, with large, easy-to-read gauges and a centrally placed radio. The chrome-accented steering wheel and column-mounted gear shifter add to the vintage charm. Ventilation and heating controls were designed for convenience, making long drives more comfortable. The attention to detail in the craftsmanship, from the door panels to the trim, reflects the high standards of 1940s American car manufacturing. As for the price, the original cost of a 1947 DeSoto Deluxe was around $1,500 to $2,000, depending on the model and optional features. Today, the value of a well-maintained DeSoto Deluxe varies significantly based on condition, originality, and restoration efforts. A fully restored example can fetch anywhere from $20.